Una, good morning and welcome to a brand new week. Yes, so we don't show again. Today will be Monday, the number 18 day for June 2018. We dey on top your Ogbonge TV station, will be Wazobia Max TV, channel 57 UHF. Where we say you go just turn your antenna some more and you go get us kia, or you will say crystal clear. We don't show again on top as it is hot. My name na Boma Amadi. And then I want to talk. In fact, I want to rap. In fact, make I leave her for now. But as soon as I know, just do like this one. Or yeah, do like this. There's somebody here with me.
If I not ring bell, that means we never start and where. In short, make una not ask me plenty questions because even coconut no say the journey far where. That's why I carry water, follow body. They say we are go better. Tell them say I be all bad and they go transfer. After that gidigba for nothing to us. But man, they try to ask me, I cut and say, well, I just cross go state. I go state. Go charge my phone small. When I say state, make some of them not para say, na state mo na come plan me so na what kidnap me. No, the state when I they talk, na just Lagos state I dodge enter small. Just go do small thing, they come back. Anyway, without that getting back again on top, ask ide hot. Now for you when they talk on your bonga to we consign us inside politics, current affairs. Even you say go chook your mouth put so that you go talk the way they take pinch inside your body. You know how we they do now. In short, the thing they torture me inside my body. That's why even to the talk self they add me small because small thing in my throat today. But anyway, today we don't drop one Ogbonge matter on top of the table. And when the matter will drop on top of the table, we say we want to local government election. How Iwaka pass. Local government election, how Iwaka pass. Me, myself, collectively, and I'm not going to forget who I be. My name still remain Ochuko Omiragwa. The only man who say make it be like that for national peace and equity to reign. Based on tradition of waka. In short, make I turn my agbada weapon for my shoulder. I go take my small odara juice, take off my throat where. When I come back, we go tell you now the story where they on top of the table. So me, myself, collectively, and I they show back. Boma, you know the show back.
I don't they look.
Anyway, not go anywhere because I is coming back. Welcome back again on top. As it is hot. Now, before we jump into that small break, we tell you now before saying that the election matter now we want to shoot our eye put and which of the election are the local government election we share for inside River State, which was Oh God, I don't want to speak English. At least I still do Obodo Igbo. Anyway, now on Saturday night, the Shele, and not forget now the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, where they call RISEC, now fixed June 16, 2018 to conduct the local government elections. And now their responsibility to organize, undertake, and supervise every election where concern local government council. I want to take una back. I want to not forget say the All Progressive Congress, alias APC, they don't talk say they're not going to participate inside this election at all. And wait to make them even talk this one now because they still stand gidigba on top of the May 23rd, 2015, say now them win election and the matter still there inside court. They say because the matter still there inside court, that's why them not go take place. They no vacuum. They inside the local government see their tenure as far anti-court judge before them go participate. Anyway, before the election, Shele, that was last week, our Ogbonge Oga governor, yes, so we can come outside, say in short, he dey suspect say some kind monkey will get plenty air and they inside pot of soup. And what be the matter? He say he dey suspect say the opposition party want to arrange talks. They call small katakata inside the election. Upon all those kind of talks, security they call beef up. Last 2 days ago, when on Saturday, 16 June, the local government election, it cost Shele across all the 23 local government area for inside Rivers State. And this exercise supposed to last between 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And a chairman, vice chairman, as well as councillor inside the various local government now is supposed to Shele. Plenty to come outside say the thing happened well. But Tori, when we call the year again, say some of these parties that they complain, say in short, the thing not go well for their side. The thing not go well the way them really want them. So that's why we want to shook our eye put to look how the whole thing waka. In short, we want to look the challenges where they inside the local government election, before the election, during the election, and after the election. All those now what we want to shook our eye put. May we talk the Tori way. We now know how we do anything with Andagidi for the share like this. We not the cack alone. We always come with people when know things and things is so concerned inside the political matter inside our River State. We they call like the gladiators. Now then they call them. Now then they talk everything where they happen inside the circle. And today we call look around, we call bring one Ogbonge man. When it comes to things and things is what concern inside our political terrain. He know everything finished. And this person are Honorable JP Darlington Orji. And are the former caretaker committee member in Ikwere local government. And he be the Nana PDP campaign spokesman. Ikwere, you are welcome, Honorable JP Darlington Orji. You are welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Rivers people.
I like your voice so well. You know, say, you get the way all of una. Now when you say, una did that position, you get the way una they talk. Me, I won't talk like una. Now money block una through to be now waiting.
Well, you're going to say we just come out of election, and as talk person for PDP in Ikwere local government, I talk plenty. And in begging our people, so it fit be part of the thing where they affect my voice. But yes, no problem.
I will talk small like that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Una don't hear from our honorable way JP. But ma, in short, you know, say you get the way the question go too hot for your chest. I don't say your chest they bring smoke. I beg release some of the smoke.
Okay. I go release some. Welcome again, Honorable. The first matter be say the local government and the councillorship elections he hold on Saturday, as we all know, maybe the 16th of June. But reports where they reach us, he states say, except for some few dark spots, except for some small, this will go still touch light too. The election they largely peaceful and fair. So based on who you be, if you just touch light, how you fit take assess the performance of RISEC? Because now then we conduct the elections. Now then we be the electoral body for River State here. How you go fit, assess their performance during the elections on Saturday?
First, I want to thank Rivers people for trooping out in their numbers to make sure, say, they can choose the person who will represent them as councillor, as chairman. Because don't forget, local government, now be the government where they closest to the people. Not be everybody go fit go Abuja, not be everybody go fit go government house. But everybody go fit go local government headquarters where they for your area. Go ask questions, go complain, go talk so many things. So Saturday election, the way where they say carry arrange the election. First, Nigerian people need to ask questions. Rivers people need to ask questions. The 23 local governments in Rivers State need to ask questions. What thing actually happened where this election, they're very peaceful. we get 68 political parties. 67 participated in this election. 1 no participate, and there was no violence. It means that if to say that 1 participate, therefore be violence, then there is actually an issue in that matter. So RESEC, within the all political parties, we say, do your election the way where everybody will understand, say, the process where they pass, say it is correct. Invite political parties, tell them point to point, your activities, your plan, how you can arrange from one step. When you want to distribute your materials, invite people, make the party agents look at me. By the special grace of God, I work as the local government collation agent. I also work as the local government representative in RESEC. So materials, they show us, sealed, delivered to our local government. In our local government, they also presented to all other party agents like they did here. And everybody's here. Such a process, it will doubt you to ask questions. If to say RESEC begin to do one kind kangaroo thing where we don't understand, we go shout. And when you shout, if they not listen, then be say trouble don't come. So, but when they make everybody will be participant for the system to understand, see, what thing we be in a referee, and as a duty of a referee now today for center, left you no get, right you no get, any person will win, you don't win. That's your duty. Because RESEC not be political party. RESEC an idea for all the political parties in Rivers State, and even people will not be politicians.
No. There's sorry to cut in like this. Again, one thing when it be say, okay, the opposition that they talk, most in particular APC and also the Green Party of Nigeria, they talk, say, in short, illegal use of security agencies to rig out other parties. Say that kind of thing, and most of them, they talk, say, a re-election, it need to take place again. Say, why? Because this very one they just do on Saturday, it not really go well. That now one, then too, you know, say, you talk just now, say you be part of RESEC at a time. And
No. I say I be PDP representative in RESEC. Okay, I be collation agent, yes, in RESEC. Okay. For the purpose of this, now so then they do. Okay, every political party go bring who go represent. Yes. Okay. When materials are being sorted. Okay. That when they check, yes, make it say true. Say what thing they want give you. Now waiting them bring. And my duty too now to follow them go my own local government to also get a record. To also confirm say unit 1. Waiting then they want give unit 1 to carry go their unit now. Now actually waiting they give us for RESEC. Okay. Every political party get that.
Very, very good. So now this complaint where they come from, most in particular the oppositions, APC and Green Party of Nigeria, they say illegal use of security agency to rig out other parties. What will be your take about that one?
Make I just draw your attention to a particular thing. You know, this one our state. And I tell people at all time, not be every state you go fit win. Not be every local government you go fit win. Rivers State na PDP state. There is no two ways about them.
And you know...
let me tell you why.
You know, say I say re-election with the glamour for now, so you know...
No, I want to tell you something now. In human life, why we are human beings is that there must be hitches of problem here and there. Small one. Nobody say you go there too pronounced. Because if you listen for what happened on Saturday, among all the political parties, yet 1 or 2 persons don't get complaint. Even in the complaint, in the 23 local governments, they specify Faga in one area or two. They said about Degema in one area or two. Now we are talking about 23 local governments, and there is issue in one ward. According to the people where they talk, because I overheard them too for radio, where they complain. That one no go mean say they go not cancel the whole process. Because you know, say it's a capital intensive to organize the election. Yes. That one now one. But speaking about APC in particular, you know, before you go win an election a process. Election not be only on Saturday, you go carry your vote, put for grant, you don't win. Not be so it happen. The process be say, you go get process of primaries, candidate go emerge, you go to tell people, waiting what they call program and policies of that candidate. What you go do when you come to office? You go beg people, because now people go elect you. Now look at government, everybody know ourselves.
You agree, say, some kind logistic challenges, the most in particular for Port Harcourt, Anobiakpo, Degema, Ogba-Ngbema, Gokana, Kana. Most in particular, the distribution of sensitive material. Tell you. Not come on time.
No, tell you what happen. If you don't Rivers State, you go agree with me, say that they rain for well for morning. Don't forget, RESEC don't tell us, say these materials will leave in the morning around 8 o'clock. And actually, all sensitive materials got to the headquarters on Saturday within the upland areas. The riverine areas went on Thursday. And they tell you, as Papa will follow up this process. Now, on Saturday morning, rain fall till about 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And these are sensitive materials. If you lose and wear rain, they fall. You go soak. And if you soak, you go spoil. If you spoil, election no go hold. So that was part of the things that caused delay in distribution. You understand? And as soon as the rain stopped, from that kind 8 o'clock, 8:30, they begin to sort out the material. Don't forget, they go do it from ward 1 to whatever ward. Like in Obiakpo local government, it's 17 wards. So you don't go start from 17, you go start from 1. And when you start by 1, some people go get delay in the process before you go reach your own area. Like my local government, the Ikwere local government, before 9 o'clock, I they tell you here, all materials has gone to their various wards.
Okay. RISEC spokesperson, Sarah Mani, talk contrary small. He said that because of some kind of security advice where they get, say make the...
No. Listen, not before entire River State.
Okay, for some...
Yes, it gets some areas where in talk say there are... No, I think you know, say, before that day, Governor don't raise alarm in a broadcast. Say there are people that have designed a process of causing mayhem in this system. And it's not missing what. I too worked in about 3 radio stations and I spoke about it. Okay. And that the people are known. For instance, somebody like Ojika Flag Amakri.
Well, before we go, you know, say on television, they will not feed throw, you know, alligates like that on top of the
No, I tell you based on what the governor talk. And I want to tell you that, you know, now local government election, don't forget. The election what they do for local government, now me and you, they contest. Now brothers and brothers, they contest. So anything what happen within the local government, we know ourselves.
Honorable, you go still, you know, enlighten us, because when you throw alligator like this, you need to tell us how you take come upon such information. All that's what we go check, shall when we come back from this small break. Maybe we just enter small break. When we show back, we still on top the matter on top. As it is hot. Welcome back again on top as it is hot, and they come out smoke for here because we see the touchlight how our local government elections then take waka pass on Saturday. But make you know say as you dey watch us anywhere where you dey, you fit call us for our phone line, chook your mouth put and talk as it take pinch you. The good part of the matter be say when you call us like this, you don't need to worry about the payment of the call. All you get to do now to just call us, we go take care of the payment because we love you like that. Now FOC.
And in case you not feel press green, so then you they call us, you fit still jump, enter inside our social media. That one just rush, enter www.facebook.com/WazobiaMaxPH. Facebook.com/WazobiaMaxPH. And you fit still enter our tweet, now the Twitter and our Instagram. That one are just at WazobiaMaxPH. At WazobiaMaxPH. Go there, go drop your comment. We said we go shoot our episode so that we go still read down. So that every go hear within be your own opinion. Oh yeah, fire down and not waste time, I beg.
Okay, now, Honorable, the matter here be same. Why would they hear say some kind of things happen, some kind of things no happen for some places? There was low turnout, as we already don't talk before, and the Ojukaya Flag and Mark is saying that because of say them boycott the elections. And then when we still look at other perceptions from some quarters, then they believe say the elections they tailored, say some persons tailor them to favor the ruling party, especially when the main opposition, again, the APC, they already announced to boycott due to the matter waiting for court. What do you get to say about this allegation of say una tailor them? Or the PDP, tailor them?
No, first, make a correct one impression.
Okay.
Ojika Flag and Makere no be monitoring spirit to know what thing that happen for the 23 local governments in River State. Right. First, you know, say the election will bring them into power, then do them around 5 o'clock. So I will not be surprised because, you know, the kind of people, the way they gather around 5 o'clock to say election no hold or election hold, and that the turnout was low. I want to tell you, follow up the result as announced by RISEC. You will understand that there was a massive turnout in the state. I don't tell you here before, say River State and PDP, and there is no doubt about them. In Ikwere local government, the election in the wards, 13 wards in Ikwere local government were massive. And the reports we got all over, following the turnout. If a local government that has about 90-something thousand votes, and adding plus the invalid votes, you are having up to 81,000 votes. Can that be called 20%? Of course, I will not doubt somebody like Ojike Eflagamakere who can do his calculation from bottom to top. You understand? Because, you know, I'm not trying to be petty. Ojike Eflagamakere is just a shoemaker in Sangana. We know him.
Honorable.
No. So you will not be surprised. You will not be surprised. You will not be, okay, you will not be surprised when he does that kind of calculation.
Clement, all the way from Rumosi, shook your mouth on top as the hot. Clement.
Hello?
Hello, Clement. We hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I just on the space. Good morning, I said.
Yeah, good morning.
I think
Clement, in short, next time when you want to call us, just divert the question sharply because this is our line today.
Yes. So the turnout in the election is over 80 to 90%. By my calculation, because taken from our own local government and the results we are getting, because we intercall ourselves to find out what is happening in different areas. Okay. And again, a man that claimed to have boycotted the election, how does he now follow up election? And I want to tell you, APC did not boycott the election, but when we get there, I will tell you. Because, they said use ad hoc staffs. Okay. And ad hoc staffs are generated from Rivers people. Okay. We are brothers. Any political party you belong to, we know. APC people participated as ad hoc workers. APC people voted in Tai local government. You saw a renowned politician, a member representing Tai, Oyibo, in the Federal House of Representatives, Right Honorable Barinadan Pigi. You saw him. He's a member of APC, a chieftain in APC. You saw him when he casted his vote and addressed press. So APC cannot claim in any form that they boycotted the election because they also participated. If Ojikaye did not vote in that election, it has been his pattern. When we get there, we would say, and there is no way I will make this statement without calling his name. He said he's the chairman, even though there are some factions in the APC have said he's a factional chairman. No problem. But addressing the man, Ojikaye Eflagamakere, who said that the election was about 20%, is not correct. PDP, we have done our bidding. Our bidding is to go out to campaign to our people, to appeal to them the reason why they should support PDP and its candidate in all the elections. And they did, we did. And in turn, they said, look, we don't have a way of appreciating the executive governor of Rivers State, who has done tremendously well as the sitting governor of Rivers State today. Now we can pay you back through making sure we support your party. And that we know that the only way you can be the friend of the governor today, as a sitting chairman or councillor, is that you must perform.
Honorable, see, now, PDP-led administration, and RISEC, they don't go ahead now conduct this election, knowing fully well, say, this matter still dey court. You don't see I'm saying a disregard to the rule of law.
No, people don't understand matter where they for court. You see, the Attorney General of the state don't talk this matter more than 20 times in different stations. What do you mean the matter where they for court? Before now, remember when the former governor, Amechi, this local government election where we talk about was conducted 9 days to his exit. Don't forget. And there are provisions in the Constitution where it talks in the Local Government Act, where it talks there are specific period of time you must give to the political parties before this election can be conducted. These are the steps to follow. He didn't do that. And we went to court then as PDP, stopping INEC from releasing voters register, because if INEC no give you voter register, everything way they do na fake. And court actually granted it. But in their attitude of selecting who judgment to obey and the one not to obey, they went ahead to do that election and results are announced. 2015, we were in court. You understand? Because when we had the first court of instance, we went to another court and the court nullified that process. It wasn't the governor of Rivers State that nullified it. It was the court and the caretaker committee was set up. Don't forget again, before now, APC have been shouting, how can the governor be using caretaker to run the administration in Rivers State? Why won't he conduct an election?
We will come back again. We'll take this call from Joy all the way from Rumekini. Joy, shook your mouth on top as the hot.
Hello, Joy.
Yeah, correct. We hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Joy.
How do do that thing?
Okay. In short, Joy, I beg, wait first. You be to talk something.
Yes. So I want to tell you, say, the process will bring them before they nullify and not be governor. And election of local government is tenable, 3 years. It means from the day you took your oath of office till the last day of the 3 years, your tenure will naturally expire. It doesn't matter what is there. Take, for instance, We used to have first assembly, second assembly, like we're in 8th assembly now. And you won an election in 2015 that will be expiring in 2019. And your matter in court leaves you above 2019. And perhaps you win. Without your assembly, be called 8th assembly or 9th assembly. I don't know what they are saying. And the Commission of Justice and Attorney General have said it repeatedly. What is in the court, now in Supreme Court, is determination whether the former chairman has the right to be joined us in the matter or not. Because the matter before was between PDP and River State government. And today, River State government have withdrawn from that matter. Then the former chairman, they came. And their tenure has naturally expired. No matter what happens now, it becomes an academic issue. Okay. So, saying that their tenure has not expired, we are then voted into office for how many years? Ojike Flag Amakiri should come out and tell Rivers people how many years that their tenure is supposed to be, whether it's to infinity or it has a specific time period. And if it does, from that day that we are sworn in, because they took out of office, don't forget, from the day that we are sworn in till today we are speaking, how long is it? All right,
Honorable, you mentioned swearing in, and it can't take me. Now, the newly elected local government council chairman for the 23 local governments, today they go swear them in.
Yes.
By 12:30.
Yes.
And according to what we hear, by 12.
They are seated. Yes.
They are seated.
Yes.
But then, we they find some persons don't they come up to come say, then just elect them on Saturday, and some persons still they raise eyebrows to how the elections go, and then today swearing in. You know how all this is going to happen too quickly. It gets this thing where say they're supposed to do
first. Make I tell you, for Equatorial local government, we don't thank God yesterday.
Okay.
In our way, that's why they tell you. So when you plan your election, you get your program. In America, they write 2 speeches. One, you write a speech to congratulate your opponent if you lose. Another is to accept and do your victory speech. That's what happens. And we are also prepared in such a way. If we lose, we'll thank God. If we win, we are going to thank God. And in course of planning your election, you know the day the election will be conducted, that is on the 16th. So after 16th, what happens? You know that after 16th, INEC, RESEC, will prepare your returning certificate. And subsequently, swearing in will take place. In fact, if INEC, RESEC has given them their return certificate yesterday, there is nothing holding the governor to swear them in. Rivers people, especially the APC people, are full of complaint. When is he supposed to swear them in? What we had on ground is caretaker committee, chairman, and members. Election has been formally and duly conducted. People has emerged. And RESEC has given them their returning certificate today. And that by the same today, by 12 or 1, they will be sworn in. It becomes a problem. How? What are we going to do? Do we allow them for 2 weeks or 1 week? There is no vacuum.
Well, then they talk about to, check the issues them or the eyebrows whether they raise.
No. Let me tell you. RESEC established what they call River State government. River State has established what they call tribunal.
Okay.
It is level. If there is any other issue in the course of this election, you go to tribunal, go sort out your matter. You know me say there will be vacancy in the seat.
Shapali, we'll take this call from Clint MNK. Shook your mouth on top of the hot.
Hello?
Prince,
Good morning, Prince.
Good morning to people, man.
I salute you,
Good morning, Prince.
Good morning to my brother.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm a member of APC, but the truth still remains that me, personally, Mr. Flynn, I voted for PDP because I voted the candidate of my choice, which is Victor Iwuwo. And the truth still remains that our problem will get our party, and the fact is clear now between Wazobia Mark to say, the flag, political flag, and Mark. Because why don't we say we, as the APC, no conduct for that election? Why? That is not to drive problem. Okay, now we will not follow for the election. The election went peacefully. Because me, as the eyewitness, I take leg after voting for Fowler. I take leg from there to Obiako to see the election between Solomon Ike for Obiako. Everything went successfully. No problem, no crisis. I beg, my brother, I won't tell ourselves the truth. I'm a Rivers man. I'm an Historian man. I beg, no carry kata or the thing of Amechi. This kata our own. I beg, the election goes successfully. Thank you.
Thank you, Prince. Anyway, now for you, we go for you, pattern and start to jump at a small chicken break. When we come back, we go tell you now the story more and more. Shook our mouth, put away, and you will never call. Sharply pick your phone. Don't go anywhere because we said with the show back. Now. On top, as either. Welcome back again on top. Ask Ide hard. Before we start to jump our mat, enter the matter where they on top of the table. Maybe we just take this small call from Bobby, all the way from Alakaya. Bobby, you come out on top as the hot.
Hello, Bobby.
Bobby. Bobby.
Bobby
Like I said,
is
this
a
weather,
fine boy.
like I said, the weather, they
He's
make,
a warrior.
okay, they bring small delay. Now, sharply like Sisi Boma already talked before, they don't they swear all the newly elected local government council chairman for inside Rivers State, they don't take oath of office by 12:30 now. All of them go enter for the Executive Council Chamber of Government House inside the Pitakwa. When it be say we did. Now, may we look at now. The 23 local government, they be there under Ketika for a while now. With the coming in of this local government chairman and councillor, which structure now they want to put in place? What will be their own mandate where they carry, they want to put in place to benefit the people and advancement of democracy at the lower tier of governance? Make we narrow it down to Ikwere local government based on say you be the spokesperson for them.
First, before I go there, make I tell you, when we started this program, I tell you, say we need to thank Rivers people for a violent-free election.
Okay.
In the first time in the history of politics in Rivers State, from 1999, that democracy came to stay till today, that the election could be conducted, here gunshot, you are media people, here say they kill any person anywhere, here say snatching of material being happen, apart from one or two complaints, small complaints where they complain. But there are no major incidents where you go talk, say, this kind of thing happen. Because people where they hire talks, no day, people where they carry gun, no day, people where say election are do or die, no day. The election, and again, security agencies in this election, I must give it to them, because they have actually proven that they are paid with the taxpayers' money. The security agencies, nobody get them. It's supposed to be for everybody. It's supposed to serve left and serve right. And once they take side, violence will come. If they don't take side and stand in the middle, vote, make your brother vote, freedom will come. Ballot will begin to speak. You can now fall back to ask people questions. When you were campaigning, this is what you told me. I voted you. Go and do those things you have told me. Taking, like you asked, what in local government go do? I want to tell you that Ikwere local government in particular, we make history out of the 774 local governments in Nigeria. And how? Because of the caliber of the persons we have put in, we have elected as our chairman, vice chairman, and councillors. Now, the man that is to mount the position today, Honorable Samuel Wanosike, JP, has been a former caretaker committee chairman for about 9 months. His programs and policies spoke for him. And let me tell you, in Ikwere local government, you can go out and ask that APC people said, for you, this man, your antecedents, we are going to support you. It has never happened that in Ikwere local government, a man can emerge as a sole consensus candidate in PDP. It has never happened. All parties came together to say, for this particular man, we are going to support you. For chairman, other positions they ran. Now, part of the things we are going to do in Ikwere local government is that the man has a blueprint. One, there is what he calls Operation Go Back to Farm. Ikwere people are traditionally known as peasant farmers. Yes. That is our source of income. Yes. It's only that Ikwere man can grant Gary. Before, if you go to market, you go here waiting, they call Ikwere Gary. Yeah. Today, no day. And the man don't talk, say, you go partner with those waiting into agriculture to bring improved seedlings and cassava stems. Where you go plant, when you grow, you go bring better food. And then go gather some of our people, then we go learn processing, then go learn packaging on how to organize our Ikwere Gari so that it can come back to full force. People can begin to transport it. If you do that one through agriculture, people can put food in their table. Last time as a caretaker committee chairman, our program, we organize a program where we get a system where they give small money to our people to go cut their farm. Hire people will go help them do the farm so that they can achieve and vote, feed themselves. Not every time you go meet politicians and say, dash me money. Teach me how to fish. Not be to go give me fish. Again, as a former caretaker committee chairman, we do program where we would also say education is compulsory in Ikwere local government. He registered over 700 sons and daughters of Ikwere. The records are there. And in the registration, there is nothing like APC. You are from Ikwere, you are from Ikwere. I have the list that I can make public, APC people, PDP people, but they are from Ikwere local government. And there is no guarantee that they will remain in APC forever. So, but if we give them background, if we give them educational background, anywhere where they, any good name where they make tomorrow, it will be for our people. And that is the idea of the young man, that people will be given opportunity to go to school. People that want to learn skills, opportunity will be given to them, because we also already start people. We'll encourage our people to go to sports, because today, sports is the order of the day. Not everybody goes to Bukuru. That's why we agree. But even if say you go play ball, you go get small background knowledge of how to read and write, so that you know go science or go carry you go prison.
Anyways, you feel say these things and what you they talk now, things where they readily available. Where we say in no distant time, they go see them, don't they?
My brother, if you see how the system is moving now, you go not say, we not get any time to delay. And again, there is a challenge in the 23 local government of Rivers State. For you to be the friend of the governor, you know, because we need to control the security architecture of the nation, especially in Rivers State. This one, now one state where under 1 year we enjoy 7 commissioners. It never happened before. Commissioners of police. Can see that the only way we can hold our people is to bring dividend of democracy, is to bring development closer to them. So that even if we don't get police, we don't get army, our project, the people go say, these people, when they do this kind of project for us, we go support them so that they go do more. And I tell you, the only way you go get relationship with the governor today, be say your name must be Mr. Project at the local government level. Otherwise, you don't get any business to do in local government.
Make we just believe, say, all this thing where you talk.
We are ready.
But when we take this call from Mercy all the way from Rumo Kushi. Mercy, shook your mouth on top of the hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mercy.
Salute you, Mercy.
I want to tell my the yesterday election and now you the break I don't experience since I started the vote. Because really for the election, sorry, because it was so peaceful.
For Rumo
Maybe small things. They just go cast your vote, go back to your house.
Okay.
If I say election they there, everybody go to vote by fire by force.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you
very
much,
much, Mercy. Mercy said you
well, that's a confirmation from Rivers people that the election actually went peacefully because there is no threat. Because, and again, you know, before now, I've been to talk something before, say Governor raise alarm. He say, how? As Governor Sidan, Chief Security Officer of the state, information is where you get. If you like the journalist, they work for road, you know, go get them. And when he raised that alarm, the security agencies in Rivers State swung into action to make sure say them cop them, to make sure say there is no shooting, they make sure that, because first, if you kill the person you kill is a Rivers man or woman, and they are our brothers, they are our sisters. And I tell people, any medium I have to address my people, I'll tell you, if any politician in this world buys gun for you to carry, then he has classified you as such. There will be nothing to you after carrying of that gun. That's the truth. You will be a seasonal gun carrier. You will be a seasonal person. When it gets to the time they will carry gun, they will bring you. When it gets to the time of empowerment, strategic positions that people will stay and manage and make them for themselves and for the society, they will say, no, you go carry gun. It's not a good life to live.
But now, some persons too don't come to give us some cho for inside our station here. Say all 23 local governments for inside River State, PDP collect all. So out of the 90-something parties, then waiting for inside River State.
68 political parties, but 67 participated.
Okay.
I'm going to take this call first before we come back again. I'm going to take Victor all the way from Rumo Mercy. Victor, shook your mouth on top of the hot.
Hello?
Yes, fire down, Victor.
Hello?
Fire down, we didn't hear you.
I see the hot.
Fire down.
Chico, good morning.
I salute you.
I just want to back for 3 things. One, this year try for the election on Saturday. Since I did River State, that the center announced the election day free and fair. Another thing I want to talk about, when I guess for studio there, it's just some things that you talk where you know good. If you want to talk, you want to defend your party, you defend them. Forget about the person with the now, the Ojuka flag or who. Forget them. No, they call our names. You know good. If you want to defend your party, go ahead. And the other aspects, we know say PDP, they on ground here, they get structure for this state. So we know they're surprised. So now I just get to
Thank you, well, Victor. May we take another call from Basi, all the way from Iwofe. Basi, shook your mouth on top of the hot. Basi.
Good morning, Ochugo.
Yeah, good morning, Basi.
I see the hot.
Fire down.
Welcome back from the States.
I did tell you, not be small thing.
Ochugo. And my brother, PDP spokesman from Ikwere. We thank all of you for waiting on that they do here. But
there's something where they happen for local government elections where Nigeria will need to correct. When Amechi doing election, Amechi conducted election on Saturday. On Sunday, they declare results. On Monday, they swore in the people. In the history of Nigeria, election, whole Saturday, result ready Sunday, Monday, the people start to work. Now we don't come to wicked time. The same complaint now we see now. APC, they complain. This one now won't complain. All the problem is because election for local government don't become state property. Because any governor who is in seat, waiting for seats, now I want to conduct the election the way we go favor them. But it's not supposed to be. But at the end of the day, waiting with the talk with this, people know they seat for local government for River State, you know they're good.
So if you just drive straight to your solution, we don't get much time. Just drive straight to your solution.
What will be your own solution?
My own solution is that election has been done. If this election has met the standard required for the people to start work, make them start work. Any person will get any problem, will get any arguments, will say no like the way the election happened, make the person go tribunal. That is the essence of tribunal.
You are aware that they swear them in today. You are aware that they swear them.
If you don't participate for any election, an election where you don't participate, you're not supposed to begin make noise.
Basi, thank you very much.
Thank you. Noise.
But you there aware say that they swore them in by 12:30 today.
Today 12:30.
Yes, now they swore them in today.
That one, wicked. That one, native style way wicked.
Thank you, well. Thank you, Basi, for your contribution. What do you get to talk?
Well,
we let Victor talk.
Yes, I want to thank Victor. Victor is the other caller. We say make I need a call person name. No, beside the caller name. I say when in March as chairman, in go all the radio stations for River State, they talk say in come here, they let them so that in go come pursue governor. Say let them so that in go march PDP, fire for fire, blood for blood. And a good leader not supposed to talk like that. Now our own problem. And we say, even if you say the verse, say things need to go your way. You get things where you don't go talk for public as a leader. Now, our own cry be that. And when governor now accuse say there are people who want cause katakata for River State, he call his name, number one, as my people. And we know say, we know in antecedents. We know what happened for 2015 election. We know the matter where they for in head today. But you say we cannot talk about that. You know saying they stand trial. Get to count murder case where they for in head. Onto election matter. So you know go come speak volume. Volume say you go kill your people. If you say you go kill your people and actually you kill your people, now who you go lead as when you win that election? So now talking about the quick in swearing in the people, the constitution no foresee vacancy. It's a vacant no go day. We get caretaker committee, their tenure don't finish. So everything they work in line. If they not swear them in today, by tomorrow there will be no caretaker committee chairman. There will be no elected chairman. What thing will happen, then go shout again. So the property, any person will get any kind of election matter problem. Then go tribunal now where then go now address the matter. So if you win or lose, that's so the tribunal go talk. Just one thing, Matt, tell you. If you check all the callers, then go tell you, say truly, elections in the state were peaceful. And it was peaceful because there was no hiring of thugs. And there was no hijack of materials from security agencies like they did in 2015 in the Ikore local government. And I will not fail to say it.
And honorable.
Because I was a victim and I was on ground when the security agencies, led by the former commissioner of police in charge of that election, came to hijack the materials. And I was there.
Honorable, calm down.
Make honorable very small though.
We are together.
Now you say as it hot. Now you say as it hot.
Yes, I deal with you for the para mood.
But why would they talk about before we go to take the phone calls? You get what they try to raise to your attention. Some persons say out of the 23 local government elections, local government where elections hold, and then they still mention say 60-something parties them day. But
67 out of 68.
67 because one no participate.
And because that one no participate, there was no fight.
We don't talk about that one.
Okay.
Enough. But then 60-something parties, only one party collects all 23 local.
Might tell you the reason.
How come?
Yes.
You don't be saying nobody where they credible come out from the other parties.
No, election no be say you know they credible or say they credible. If you no carry your information to the grassroots election, not be national election. Election of councillor na community election. In other words, we they call them ward. You understand? In that your ward, you go work out, like in my ward, we get 9 villages. Plus non-indigenous, we they call them 10 villages. In my ward, that's what 13 in Alo. You go one ward to another ward, one unit to another. We get 15 units. You go get to all the 15 units. You go meeting people. You go meet club, social club. You go meet different organizations. Say, I beg, for this election, I they run under PDP. Make an support me. If you wanna support me, see what I go fit do small as council, as a councillor. See what I go fit do as a local government chairman. You understand? If you don't take your message to the people not going to know. Even as enlightened as I did in this game, what they call politics, I know some all the political parties. But we get 68. Now, you fill in candidates, you no go to your people. Some people no go know.
So you mean say in all of these 67 local governments, none of them play grassroots for all the 23 local governments?
No,
only PDP?
No, I tell you, I use the local government as a case study.
Okay.
We get somebody who run election under Green Party. Austin Wanjokun. We run election under Green Party. He's a nice person. He's a good man. I know him. He's a good person. But we have a preferred candidate because we have two things there. One person will better pass. We have a preferred candidate in our own party, PDP. Now, what did he do? Instead of taking his campaign to the communities, to talk to the units, because now people go vote you. This election not be election where you go carry gun, carry knife, carry this one, go right. No. You go vote, I go vote. One man, one vote. So in doing that, you need to go to the people. Not be to carry more to pass for road. They say you don't do campaign. You know that enough. You go work up places. We were there for PDP. I went to almost all the media houses in River State to talk to our people when they stay for Equatorial local government. Why them go come back, come support our candidate, make them come help us because we need their support so that the man go come implement what he saying go do for us. That is the way of telling our people. Now I get part where they answer ID. You get part where they answer young. How you go carry no? To some people, waiting they know na PDP. To some people, waiting they know na PDP and Green Party. So if you feel in your candidates, you go tell people. It don't be like when would they grow up. If your parents say go buy mineral, now Coke you go buy. If you know Coke, no day, you go contact them and say mineral, no day. Meanwhile, there is Sprite, there is Fanta, until they specify. So now what happen? River State, PDP don't chop people mind. There is no two ways. And again, people for the grumble and if you see the result for this election. But because the governor will sit down for seat, get endless projects when there is a good. And people too, they write under them to say, if you elect me, I go do like my governor. The man don't try and lie, they say not true. Me too, I go do like that. And the man don't talk him everywhere. One of the stakeholders meeting me a day. We are in talk say, anybody where I hear say you go pulling unit, go deprive people from voting. You're on your own because security will come after you. And I thank God for security agencies. I heard the commissioner of police say they deployed 15,000 policemen. And I can confirm to you in the Equatorial local government, there is no polling unit, one polling unit that don't have over 4 police personnel. And it was a good one. So when you go there, you cast your vote, I cast my vote. And they will count the vote and they will declare. In such election, if any other political party have won in such election, why wouldn't they declare the person?
Right.
Well, thank you, Honorable J.P. Darlington Orji, when be the PDP campaign spokesman, Ikwere, and also the former caretaker
and the chairman, one of the campaign organization, the chairman publicity committee, one of the campaign organization, we talk to people, we beg people, we bring them into power now.
Thank you, Honorable J.P. Darlington Orji. Thank you for coming to us. Hope say next time we will always get you again to come talk this or plenty talk on top of us. I
beg anytime we invite me, I go come. But now, thank only Rivers people on a do well for paying us back with your PVC. 2019 is by the corner. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. If you look at when this guy Honorable 9 feet as the because he mats F, he really the hot. Now for you, we'll go for bar break. Tomorrow, join us again for another fresh time again on top as from 11 to 12. Now for you, we'll go for bar break, and my name still remain Ochuko Omiragwa, the only man who say maybe like that for national peace and equity to reign based on tradition. Yes,
so now like this, we go take draw the curtain because everything will get a beginning. it gets end. I still remain Boma Amadi. Make una no forget, say by 9 o'clock this evening, you go still watch us in the hot. From 9 waka go reach 10 o'clock, we still there for your Kajad and Obonge TV station. And we still they do for your Domot report. So take that picture anywhere where you see something where no there is supposed to be. Flooding day this period where and the railway for yesterday and many things don't spoil too. Still capture them for picture. Send them to us. We go talk about them on Friday. But for now, well done.